Hello everyone, my name is Hector Javier Villota, and this is a summary of my life experience as part of the software analysis and development technologies program at Sena. My digital journey experience in software this is embarking on career and in software has been a truly transformative experience to sharpen my perspective on technology and this is potential. The industry every shows that impressive in this moment 92% of graduates secured employment within first 6 months. This is for demand, high demand, the relevance of on this field. My first steps and codes curiosity and my journey into software analysis. The patience and that's the passion from solving problem and initiative curiosity for computational logic. Early on delved into Python and JavaScript, building foundational algorithms that is the groundwork for more complex. Learning in action projects and case skills, full stack project development, databases mastery, quality assurance, and this is simply projects and the future. And the challengers so is resilience and personal growth. First, debugging complex code to adapting to the new technologies, to time management under pressure, and for effective communication. In the future and impact on transformative career. This is the best career opportunity, creating real world impact, and this is the presentations of my evidence. Thank you so much.